Ma'am.
Okay, once it is completed. So here we have taken all the incomes, donations, subscriptions. Donations and legacies are capital items. So that's why here when he gives instructions, we are going to follow it. He said half is to be treated as an income. So we have treated it as an income. And subscriptions default is a income. Interest on investments is a income. And on that we had outstanding. So we have add. And interest on deposits is also regular interest we'll receive, so that's why it has been taken as a income on the income and expenditure. Then on the debit side of the payments, we had a charity, salaries, rent, printing, postage, advertisements along with the outstandings we have taken. And whenever it is of income and expenditure, we will not write as a net profit, rather we write as a surplus. So everyone have taken a screenshots. Can I move on?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then see the second one. Second one, from the following receipts and payments account of sports club, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st December. He gave. So he gave on the receipt side cash in hand, member subscriptions, then donations for club, entertainment receipts, entrance fee, cricket fees, sale of old newspapers, sundry donations. So here donations to club he gave and sundry donations. So one specific donation, one general donation. So general will go to the income and expenditure, specific donation will go to the balance sheet. And interest on securities, like here what we have seen, interest on investments, it's the same. Then bank OD he gave, then salaries he gave, bank OD also will go to the balance sheet liability side. Salaries he gave, rent he gave, insurance, entertainment, then furniture, newspapers, general expenses, then all cash in hand, cash at bank, and all those things. Then adjustments he gave, member subscriptions include 1200 received from the year 2004 it seems, and 600 for 2006 it seems. Salary include 400 paid for the year 2004 and 500 are outstanding for the year 2005. One half of entrance fee is to be treated as an income. Membership subscriptions amounting to rupees 500 in arrears. So same like that. First we are going to start with the income side only. So here entrance fee, he is asking us to treat it as a half capital item, half receipts item. Income and expenditure account for 31st December 5. Now, as usual, we'll start again with the income side. So first he gave is what? Membership subscription. So that's why I'm going to write by subscriptions. He gave me around 14,000. To this one, we are going to add current year outstanding. No, so current year outstanding is 500. Outstanding of 2005 is 500. Then rest two are minus. Why? Because what he said, one he is of outstanding of 2004 it seems. Current year will add. Obviously last year's we will minus, isn't it? So that's what I'm going to do. The last year's 1200 minus, and then he gave future year amount. So advance, what we call advance of 2006. Current year amounts we are supposed to take. Balance other amounts we should minus it. So tell me how much you are going to get it.
12,700.
Yeah, right. Then donations. donations he gave, but I said specific will go to the balance sheet, general will take in the P&L. So that's why I'll leave it. Then entertainment receipts, that we'll take here, which is 6,200. Then by entrance fee, what is said entrance total we are going to take here? No, he said half. So how much it is now? 1,400 is there. Half means 700 only, na?
Yes, ma'am.
By cricket fee is he didn't mention, so we'll take as a income, total as a income. By sale of newspapers,
100.
by sundry donations means nothing but general donations. So that we are going to take here only, no? So that's why I'm taking here as 4,000. And by interest on securities, we'll take it, because just like interest on investments, securities means investments, which is 224.
224.
So all the things we are done. Now come down to this side, payment side. So first is salaries. Salaries, we have adjustment again. Salaries also he gave last year outstanding and current year outstanding. We usually go for current year outstanding addition, not the last year's. So that's why salaries, which the amount is given as 4,200, to that I will add
Plus 500.
yes, outstanding of 2005, which is 500, and minus outstanding
400.
of 2004 is 400, which is equal to
4,300.
yeah. Then to rent, the rest all we don't have any adjustments, I think. To insurance, then what is that? To entertainment, yeah. How much?
4,200.
Okay, next, two newspapers. Newspapers means subscriptions, Nana. Like we'll have regularly, we have to purchase for daily purpose, for reading purpose, knowing about the world. So obviously, it's a compulsion, regular expense. To general, he only said general expenses.
500.
Is 500. That's it, no? All the things we are done. Yeah. Now total it and tell me how much is the balance.
24,424.
Okay. $24, 4.
20.
Okay. 24, 424. And how much is the surplus? We got to
10,003.
10,003. 24, na?
24.
Yeah. Ouch. Yeah.